In this video I will try to show how a Cosmostreamer Remote Client works. For example, I will use DJI Flip drone connected to DJI RC-N3 remote connected to Cosmostreamer, power bank, HDMI from main Cosmostreamer connected to this TV, and we can see an image. All as usual, not interesting. Place it here. This main Cosmostreamer unit, no network interfaces, only Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected to my home Wi-Fi router, this. And for short distance it's okay. For longer distance better to use Ethernet. Now I have second Cosmostreamer unit connected with HDMI to this display only, no any other connections. Now I put power, standard USB power supply. This Cosmostreamer unit connected to the same Wi-Fi network as a main unit. Waiting for connection. Okay. We can see it connected. Now this Cosmostreamer unit, configured as a Cosmostreamer Remote Client, automatically discovers main Cosmostreamer unit, connect to this, receive all video and data, that's all. Also we can use a smartphone. Where is my smartphone? Smartphone with DJI Fly application. Android only. Cosmostreamer unit. We can see it connected, and we have video and control. This is all the same if this smartphone will be connected to the main Cosmostreamer unit or directly into DJI controller. So we have DJI Fly application, HDMI output. If we want, we can take one more Cosmostreamer with display, just power it on and wait for a start. It powered on, so we have two Cosmostreamers, one for this display and smartphone, main unit with display and controller, and we can plug another Android smartphone into this Cosmostreamer. I need more hands, but I will try. Number 2. Okay. Now we have two DJI Fly applications and all of them are working. I can move camera from one smartphone and move camera on second smartphone. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 displays. in Windows application we can see Cosmostreamer main unit and remote client, two remote clients. Now what I can show you. Also we can, in Pro license, we can use a USB gamepad. Just plug it into one of Cosmostreamers. So the joystick is connected, and now we have ability to move camera and control a drone fly. How to show it? Let's try to take off. Oh, it was very loud. So we have two Cosmostreamer clients, HDMI, another HDMI, small display, joystick control. That's all.